In this video, I'll demonstrate how to easily add a phone number on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu. Then tap on the gear icon to access settings and privacy. And go to the Meta Account Center. In the Meta Account Center, tap on Personal Details and then select Contact Info. Here you'll find all your emails and phone numbers associated with this Meta Account Center. To add a new phone number, tap on Add New Contact and tap Add Mobile Number. Enter your phone number in the field provided. You can also change the country if needed. Below, choose the accounts you want to link this number to. Tap Next. You'll receive a confirmation code on your mobile number. Enter it to verify access to your phone number. Once verified, the phone number will be added to your contact information in the Meta Account Center. To manage the phone number, tap on it. Here you can configure which accounts it's associated with or remove accounts. You can also delete the phone number from the Meta Account Center by tapping Delete Number. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button.